The BMW M7 is a high-performance luxury sedan, combining the brand's signature engineering with cutting-edge technology. While it's built for speed and agility, like any high-performance vehicle, it requires proper care and attention to maintain its power, reliability, and longevity. Regular servicing is essential to keep the M7 running at its peak. If you're a proud owner of the BMW M7, it's crucial to understand the importance of regular maintenance, how often services should be done, and what kind of services the vehicle requires. The BMW M7, like other M-series cars, is designed for performance, which means it undergoes more strain than typical luxury sedans. The engine, transmission, suspension, and braking system all need to be in optimal condition to ensure the car delivers on its promise of thrilling driving dynamics. Keeping the car in top shape is not just about performance, but also safety and comfort. One of the most important aspects of servicing the M7 is its engine. The M7 typically comes equipped with a powerful V8 or V12 engine depending on the model, and maintaining the health of this engine is essential for long-term performance. Regular oil changes are a must, especially considering the heavy-duty performance the engine undergoes. BMW recommends changing the engine oil every 10,000 miles or once a year, but this can vary depending on your driving conditions. If you often drive in stop-and-go traffic or at high speeds, more frequent oil changes may be necessary. Alongside oil changes, the engine air filters must be checked regularly and replaced when needed. Clean air filters ensure the engine gets the right amount of clean air for optimal performance. Dirty or clogged filters can cause the engine to lose power and efficiency. The fuel filters should also be inspected as part of regular servicing, as they play a key role in ensuring the engine receives clean fuel. When the fuel filter becomes clogged, it can affect fuel flow and reduce engine performance. The M7's brakes are another critical element that must be serviced regularly. The braking system on performance vehicles like the M7 experiences a lot of stress, especially if the car is driven aggressively or on challenging terrains. Regular inspection of brake pads, discs, and fluid is essential for maintaining stopping power. BMW recommends inspecting the brake system at least every 12,000 miles. But if you notice any signs of reduced braking efficiency or unusual sounds, you should take the vehicle in for service immediately. The suspension system is integral to the driving experience, and for a vehicle like the M7, suspension maintenance plays a critical role in handling and comfort. The M7 comes equipped with a sophisticated suspension system designed for both comfort and performance. Over time, components such as struts, shocks, and springs can wear out, especially if the car is driven aggressively or over rough roads. If you notice a decline in handling or experience a bumpy ride, it could be time for suspension service. Checking the suspension at regular intervals is key to ensuring that the M7 remains responsive and smooth on the road. Tires are often overlooked during regular service checks, but are an essential aspect of performance. The M7, with its powerful engine and performance-oriented nature, requires tires that can handle the stress of fast acceleration, tight cornering, and high-speed driving. Regular tire inspections, rotations, and balancing are essential to ensure even wear and optimal traction. It's also important to check the tire pressure regularly, as underinflated tires can affect handling and fuel efficiency. The M7's high-performance tires are an investment, so taking proper care of them is crucial. In addition to the mechanical aspects of the vehicle, electronic systems in the BMW M7 require regular attention. Modern BMWs, including the M7, come with advanced tech features, including an intricate infotainment system, driver assist features, and adaptive cruise control. These systems rely heavily on sensors and software, and like any technology, they may require software updates or recalibration from time to time. Regular checks to ensure that the vehicle's electronics are functioning correctly can prevent issues with these complex systems. Transmission maintenance is another vital part of the BMW M7 service schedule. The M7's transmission is built for quick shifts and performance, and it requires routine checks to ensure it's operating correctly. BMW typically recommends checking the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. If you notice any hesitation when shifting gears or difficulty engaging gears, it's important to have the transmission inspected right away. Proper transmission, fluid levels, and quality are essential to prevent overheating and potential transmission failure. Fluid levels are also critical for maintaining a healthy M7. In addition to engine oil and transmission fluid, the